is Neal News, reporting live from the College of Education NEUS Bsem campus. For almost 2 months, the increase in gasoline prices has affected many students, especially their daily allowance and their transportation. In today's news, we will show how this situation affects the students' fare. Now, we have Miss Kamid, our field reporter for today.
Thank you. I am here at the co-ed building. One of the students from the College of Education shared their experience in the gasoline price hike and how it affects him.
Malaki yung impact niya sa akin kasi sa pag-uwi ko kasi ang mode of transportation ko is namamasay talaga ako through jeep and tricycle. So sa jeep wala namang pinagbago, pero sa tricycle kasi mas halos dumoble yung pamasahe ko pa uwi.
This clearly shows that not only the drivers who are affected, everything connected to it will surely feel the gasoline price hike. Again, Kamid Nor Ania, reporting live. Back to you, Ashana.
Thank you. Now, let us look at the data using the measures of central tendency, which will help us understand the expenses of students in terms of their fare expenses. We have here the measures of central tendency before the fare increase. We have the mean, which is equal to 74.50 pesos. This is the average amount students spend daily. We have the median, which is 77.50 pesos. This is the middle value, meaning half the students spend more than this and half spend less. And we have the modes, which are 40 pesos, 80 pesos. These are the most common amounts students spend. We also have here the measures of central tendency after the fare increase. We have now the mean that increased to 99.80 pesos, which means students now spend more on average. We have the median, which is now 97.50 pesos, showing that a typical student also spends more. We have the mode, which are 40 pesos, 50 pesos, and 120 pesos, meaning there are now more common spending values. In simple terms, all the values increase. It shows to us that the students are spending more money after gas price hike, as it is reflected in their daily fare expenses.
Thank you. Now let's talk about measurements of variability, which shows how different or spread out the students' expenses are. Before the fare increase, the range was 140 pesos, meaning the difference between the highest and lowest allowance was 140 pesos. The standard devotion was 34.47, which means the data is not too far from the average. After the fare increase, the range increased to 200 pesos, so the gap between students' expenses became bigger. The standard devotion is now 51.67, meaning the values are more spread out. This means students are not affected the same way. Some spend much more, while others try to spend less.
Thank you, Lahaina. The data clearly shows that the increase in gasoline prices greatly affects the students. They are forced to change their lifestyle just to survive daily expenses, and that truly shows that how much of an effect some conflicts even within other countries are to our fellow men, especially to those who are just building their dreams yet. Although it is a hard time for everyone, may this keep us in track of our expenses and do not be greedy. That's the latest update here at the College of Education NEUS Bsem campus. Again, this is Neal News reporting.